Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we unravel the mysteries of corporate filings. And today we've got a real dividend delight from United Bancorp Incorporated, or UBCP as they're known on the market. You know, sometimes these reports are drier than a desert bone, but this one, it has got a little something extra. So what is this report all about? Well, it is a current report, basically a company shouting, "Hey everyone, something important just happened." And for UBCP on the 18th of February of 2026, that something was some pretty significant decisions made by their board of directors. This is the official stuff, right? Telling us they're complying with the rules. But the real juicy part is what they decided on that February date. This is our company, United Bancorp Incorporated. They are based in Ohio, incorporated there, filed under commission file number 0 to 16,540, and have an IRS employer identification number of 34 to 1,405,357. They're headquartered in Martins Ferry, Ohio, zip code 43,935 negative 0010. Now, their main line is for inquiries, and it is 740-633-0445. Now, what do they trade on the big board? It is their common stock with a par value of $1. You'll find it trading under the ticker symbol UBCP on the NASDAQ Capital Market. So that is the stock we're talking about. Alright, here is the heart of the matter, and why this filing is interesting. On the 19th of February, United Bancorp put out a press release about some big news from their board meeting held the day before. On the 18th of February, they declared not just their regular dividend for the first quarter of 2026, but also a surprise one, time special dividend. Both of these payouts are scheduled to go into shareholders' pockets on the 20th of March, with the cutoff for who gets it, the record date being the 10th of March. This is great news for shareholders, implying the company is doing well enough to reward them with both consistent and extra payments. Now, let's talk about what they've included with this report. Exhibit 99 is the actual press release itself. So if you want to dive into the exact wording of their announcement about these dividends, that is where you'll find it. And then there is Exhibit 104, which is an interactive data file. This is for all you tech folks who like to crunch numbers digitally. It is formatted as inline XBRL, which means it is super structured and machine readable. And finally, to wrap it all up, the report is dated the 19th of February 2026, signed off by Scott A. Everson, their Chief Executive Officer. So, what is the big story here? United Bancorp Inc. is not just paying its usual dividend, they're also giving shareholders an extra little bonus. This usually signals strong financial performance and confidence from the company's leadership about their future prospects. It is a clear sign that management believes they have enough cash flow and earnings to share the wealth. For investors, this means a nice immediate return, and for potential investors, it could be a signal that the company is a stable and profitable place to put your money. We don't have the deep dive financial tables here in this specific filing, but this announcement of a special dividend strongly implies that recent financial performance has been robust. Companies typically don't give out special dividends unless they've had a particularly good period, perhaps exceeding earnings expectations or having a significant cash reserve build-up. It's a way to distribute excess capital back to the owners, the shareholders. This move shows a commitment to shareholder value, which is always a good sign, given that they are a publicly traded company on NASDAQ. This kind of positive financial signal can also attract more investors, potentially boosting their stock price. It's a win-win scenario when a company can reward its shareholders while also signaling a healthy business. Alright, that is our quick decode of United Bancorp's latest filing. What do you think about this dividend announcement? Does it make you look at UBCP differently? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this breakdown helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more corporate insights delivered straight to you. And don't forget to join our Discord community, linked in the description, for even more discussions and analysis. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.